have been asking us about how to operate the alpha hinge on your last, which is how to actually break it. Don't worry, you're not actually breaking it, we just call it breaking the last. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. I have with me a screwdriver. In a real shoemaking studio, you'd be using a lasting pin, but if you're shoemaking from home, a screwdriver is fine. So come on over and let me show you how to do it. Okay, I'm going to place the last in between my knees like that. I'm going to place the screwdriver inside that hole there. And really important here that you keep your hands out of the way, because if your fingers get trapped in here, it will really, really hurt. So what I'm going to do is just keep my hand at the back, and with this hand I'm going to push down. Okay, so that's how you break it to then get it out of the shoe that you've made. When you want to put it back to the right position, you just put it back between your knees, and again keep your hand out of the way, and we're just going to pull it up like that. You shouldn't be able to do it by hand. That's how you do it.